The new OpenKM Microsoft Addin allows the comparison of versions of a document. To check it, we are going to edit a file in Microsoft Word. We select a file hosted in the document management system. Once the software shows us the document, if we go to the OpenKM tab, we will see that a new feature appears, Compare Versions. Clicking on it, a new window appears giving us access to the document's history, where we can select the version with which we want to compare the file. In this case, we select version 1.26 and accept. As we can see, the view inside Microsoft Word changes to show us information related to the versions and facing them, the versions we are comparing the document. There are some notes that differentiate one version from another. When closing the document, the system asks us if we want to save the changes. In this case, we discard the changes from version 1.26 and the application presents us with the default view of the original version of the document.